Over the last 9 months, I've been developing Project Chicago. Now I'm going to be also developing a new project, HTML Live. Now, some of you may recognize that this was a program created by Philip back in 2010. He stopped at 0.5.7, but I've continued development and now have it up to 0.5.8.8.1. which has a couple new features. So these are comparing the two versions. Now the first difference is the name of the program, which isn't really that big. Second off, there's now tabs here. This is going to be developed more in the future. This will allow you to have multiple documents opened at the same time. Another new feature is fixed mode, which allows you to be able to load images, CSS files, and other local files in while working. A new menu is about. It just has the changelog and just says developers. Also, I have keyboard shortcuts now, so that instead of having to go through all these menus and click a link to be able to create a link, you can now just do link and you can easily use those keyboard shortcuts to change things like Control B for bolding, underlining, and italicizing. Oh, and let's just add in delete while we're at it. Now, these are all just the HTML tags, not using any sort of CSS, which I'll be adding that in the future, giving you the option to work with just the HTML tags or the CSS tags. But then Control-Shift-I is image. In that dialog box, I'm planning to add like width and height so that you can customize it more. Control H creates your basic setup. I haven't added anything for JavaScript or CSS yet with keyboard shortcuts, though I have added a color dialog box here. Also new, there's now a save as. If you just want to view the editor, you can uncheck web page viewer. If you just want to view the web page, you can unselect editor. Things I'm planning to add to this in the future include line numbers going down the side here, a status bar showing you which column and row you're on, and better support with the dialog boxes and keyboard shortcuts. So I'm planning to get a version of this out by the end of December. So see you on the next dev update here on Lem Studio. Bye.